ABC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a cool start to the week. Chilly again this morning, but we didn't get to the freezing mark officially in Lafayette, so officially still a pretty mild winter. And after tomorrow morning, I don't see the possibility of frost for the next week to 10 days for sure. So we'll see how it goes the rest of the winter, but time and the window's closing for those of you looking for a big change. But we do have one change on the way, and it's courtesy of an upper level low that's down towards South California and portions of Nevada, a stronger upper level system up here in the Pacific Northwest. Both of these storm systems are going to be pushing generally to the east. This one's going to be diving to the south, this one a little bit east-southeast, and it's going to hook up with the subtropical jet stream. So that's going to set up as our next weather maker for a pretty good chance of rain and storms to develop as we head, especially into early Thursday. Right now, the storm system is producing rain at lower elevations, snow, higher elevations from New Mexico on up through portions of Colorado, and then back to the west as well. So this whole mixture is moving off to the east, and out ahead of it, plenty of high clouds, and that's what we saw coming in late this afternoon, allowing for a pretty nice sunset and some pastels out there as well. And depending on how thick these high clouds are, it's going to dictate how chilly we're going to get. Plus, a little bit of a breeze out of the northeast may keep our temperatures from getting too chilly, but we still have to plan on at least the threat of frost through tomorrow morning. And tomorrow, I think we start off with partly sunny skies, at least through mid-morning, but by the afternoon, clouds are going to be on the increase. Now, this model showing lots of green, meaning rain is going to be in the area, but this will be evaporating before it reaches the ground. The model can't tell us if the rain reaches the ground. That's what our job is here. So some sprinkles by late tomorrow afternoon, but measurable rainfall tomorrow, 20% or less. Then as we head into tomorrow night, the atmosphere begins to moisten on up, so showers becoming more likely, especially toward midnight and thereafter, where we'll see on and off scattered showers. And then going into Thursday is going to be a broad area of low pressure. We think somewhere across southwest Louisiana, southern portions of Acadiana, and that's going to translate to a pretty good chance of scattered showers and a few heavier thunderstorms in the mix. Not expecting severe weather nor that much in the way of rainfall, but last couple of systems have outperformed the model guidance. We'll show you that in just a bit. As we head beyond Thursday, though, high pressure moves in, so got to look at that weekend forecast. So looking good for Friday, also Saturday. High clouds coming back in Saturday. Low pressure develops in the Gulf of Mexico Sunday, but it looks like most of that rain stays offshore, so maybe some clouds on Sunday. And then we get another nice couple of days before the next weather maker develops, and this one's going to have a pretty good draw of the Gulf of Mexico, so a good chance of rain and storms, and that one's going to be about a week from tomorrow. In the near term, what can we expect rainfall-wise? Well, it's again the Euro model going between a half inch and an inch. Some spots may see up to 2. We'll have to wait and see on that. Then we flash forward through the next week to 10 days, add that next rainfall that comes on toward the mid part of next week, and we could see some wet conditions around here. Bottom line, changeable conditions in our future over the next week to 10 days with slightly milder temperatures. Tonight, though, low to mid 30s, but these numbers may come up a bit. We'll have to wait and see and give you an update on the trends at 10 o'clock. Mid 30s I-10 corridor and much the same coastal parishes, so bottom line, make sure the plants and the pets are sheltered for tonight. Then for tomorrow, after a little bit of sunshine early, the clouds will be on the increase, and by tomorrow evening, patchy light rain and showers moving into the area. Highest rain chances Thursday, at least up until about 1 or 2 or 3 in the afternoon. Friday, Saturday look good, and then as we head into Sunday, we'll have slight rain chances. And then as we go beyond, look at those temperatures getting milder once again. Daytime highs getting into the upper 60s to lower 70s, and overnight lows in the 40s for the most part. And I got that question today on social media. Are we going to see any winter weather here in Louisiana? And that window is about 3 weeks to go, and I don't see anything right now, but there's always hope. First week of February, if I'm going to bet on any week this year, it's going to be then.
Okay.
We'll see.
All right, you just opened up the floodgates, Rob. Hate to break it